Teacher.
Very good morning, children. Welcome back to our online mathematics class. How are you, children? I hope you all are doing good and safe at home. So what we are discussing, ma? We are discussing the chapter area and its boundary. You've done a lot of problems on area and perimeter. Okay. Here I am giving some problems to you. First problem I will explain how to do. Like that, remaining two you have to do now. Okay. See here. Find the perimeter and area of the rectangles. We know the formula for area and rectangle. So area and perimeter of your rectangle. Okay. So first perimeter of your rectangle. What is the formula for perimeter, ma? 2 into L plus B. 2 into L plus B. Here length is given 12 centimeters. Breadth is given 4 centimeters. 2 into 12 plus 4. So what I told you, first you have to simplify the brackets. First simplify the brackets. That means add it first. First add that. 12 plus 4 how much, ma? 12 plus 4 how much?
16, ma'am.
16. 2 into 16. So 2 16s are how much?
16, ma'am.
2 16s are how much? 16 2s are 32. It is 32 centimeters. Okay. Now next we need to find the area. Area L into B. So 12 into 4. 12 4s are 48 square centimeters. 48 square centimeters. So like this. Whenever you are doing the problems, what you have to do is just write the formula first. Okay. After that, try to do the problem. So what is the formula here? Perimeter formula 2 into L plus B. Whenever you are getting brackets, first you have to simplify the brackets and then do the remaining operation. So here first in brackets we have 12 plus 4. So 12 plus 16. The 16 is multiplied by 2. So 2 16s are 32. So this is the perimeter. Perimeter always we are saying in units. Normal units, centimeter, meter or kilometer. Okay, like that. Now area. Here what we are doing, ma? We are multiplying the measurements. Length and breadth we are multiplying. So when you are multiplying meter into meter, meter square or square meter. Centimeter into centimeter, centimeter square or square centimeter, like that we will get. So here 12 into 4. So the lengths are given in centimeters here. The measurement is given in centimeter. So we can write square centimeter or centimeter square also you can use. Either centimeter square or square centimeter. Anyone you can use. Okay, ma? So now what you have to do is complete these two problems and tell me the answer. Complete the two problems now and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, it was coming blur, ma'am. Okay.
And now complete the remaining two problems and tell me the answer. So here just I am writing the perimeter. You have to tell me the answer. Perimeter and area.
Ma'am, we will do, ma'am.
Yeah, you have to do, ma. You only complete it. Complete it and tell me the answer.
Ma'am, perimeter is 42 centimeters.
Very good.
Ma'am, area is 98 square centimeters, ma'am.
Very, very good, ma. Very good. Yeah, so first problem, perimeter is 42 centimeters. Area is 98 square centimeters. 98 square centimeters.
Ma'am, perimeter of
Now children, find the perimeter or area of the following squares. You know that clearly square is all sided. All sides are equal in square. Okay. So then if you get one side, it means four sides are equal. So perimeter, how you will write, ma'am?
ma'am, perimeter of first square is 128.
4 into 32. Yeah, 4 into side. So 128
Ma'am, perimeter.
centimeters. Now area. Area of square side into side. First write the formula and then do it. So 32 into 32. So this is 4.
Ma'am, 64. 64 square centimeters, I think.
What 64?
Singer అయితదంట.
ఓకే మరి నయం
1024 square centimeters. 32 into 32. I told you 1 cross 1 method. Did you remember, ma?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So like that, if you do, you can do it in one step easily. If you remember it. Shall I once again explain? This is Vedic maths. 32 into 32. 1 cross 1 means first we have to multiply the ones digit. 2 2s are 4. Next, first and the next cross multiplication and then add. 3 2s are 6.
Ma'am, I know this, ma'am.
12. So 1 carry forward, 2 right here. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. So 1 plus 24. So that is called 1 cross 1 method, Vedic mathematics. It is very easy. The calculations are very easy in Vedic mathematics.
Teacher, some sounds are disturbing.
Not from my side, ma, from
Yes,
your
ma'am.
friends only. Somewhere we are getting.
Ma'am, Shiva.
So here you have length at 63, breadth is 62. So these are little bit big numbers. So to do the multiplication of big numbers, we can use Vedic mathematics very easily. Okay, then how to multiply these two big numbers? Here in this, it is involved with 2 steps. Okay, so we can do 1 cross 1 method or this method. In 2 methods we have. In this method we have 2 steps. So 63 is nearer to which tens place, ma? 70. Which is nearer to 63 is nearer to 70. Tens, which tens? So 70. So let it be base is 70. Okay. Now step 1. Subtract the first number from 70. What you will get? 7 you will get. And subtract the second number also from 70. 8. So what you have to do? You need to multiply these two. 7 8s are what you will get, ma? 56. 7 8s are 56. So 7 8s are 56. So first write 6 here and take 5 as a carry. Now in second step, what we will do is take any number, either first number or second number. So here I am taking first number minus. If you subtract second number with 70 with base, this is called Puraka. Subtract this Puraka and multiply the base tens place. 7. Okay. Now 63 minus 8 is 55. 55 into 7. 35. 3 carry forward, 35 plus 3, 8. And now add this carry. Add this carry here. We will get 390. So this is 3906. So if you multiply 63 into 62, you will get the same answer. So using Vedic maths, we can do the bigger number multiplication easily with small steps. Okay. Now, suppose if you have the square number. What is the square number means? If you multiply the same number twice, the number with the same number. So 65 into 65, 63 into 63. So these are called square numbers. That means when you are doing the square number, 63 into 63. Then how to do the multiplication easily? If it is a small number, 2 into 2, you can say easily 5 into 5, 12 into 12, 13 into 13. We can say it easily, but it is coming to 60, 90s. So then how to do? Okay, hundreds, 200s. Let us check. First, multiply the ones place. 3 3s are 9. Multiply the ones place. 3 3s are 9. Okay. Now, what is the original number we have? 63. To that 63, add the number which is there in ones place. So 63 plus 6, which is nothing but 66. Now, so you have the number 63. What you are doing with ones place, you are adding here. Now, multiply the number with tens place. Multiply the number with tens place. So 6 6 is 36. 3 carry forward. 6 is 36 plus 3, 39. So the answer is 3969. The answer is 3969. Let us multiply it normally. 63 into 63. 3 3s are 9. 18. Again 6 3s are 18. 8. 1 carry forward. 36 plus 1, 37. So this is 9. 6, 8, 16 here. So 9, 3. 3969. So easily we can do using Vedic mathematics. So India. So you can see the name of the India on squares. Okay. Now what we need to find? We need to find the perimeter and area of each letter, each alphabet. So here what you can do, ma, for area, it is very easy for us, which is nothing but area is counting squares. So how many squares you have in I? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, 5.
Area of 5 is 5 square units. 5 square units you have to write. Okay. Now area of n, letter n. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here it is more than half. So this is 6. This is also more than half. 7. Okay. And 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Is it more than half or less than half?
Ma'am, it is half.
More than half it is, not half. More than half. These three are more than half. Greater than half. So we can count them as 1. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So the area is 13 square
13
units.
squares units.
Okay. Next find out for D. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Ma'am, 12.
So 12 square
12 square
units.
units.
I already we found now, so that's why next go for A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 full squares here. And then here more than half. This is more than half. This is also more than half. Okay, this is also more than half. This is also more than half. And here also you have more than half. Here also, what you can say, ma, this is?
Ma'am, we can say
Less than half, ma'am.
Inside one, inside one. Yeah, it
More
is
than
also
half.
more than half. So this is less than half, 0 we can say. Here also it is more than half, we can say. Now count
Ma'am, it is 12 square units.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it is also 12 square units.
12 square units.
Very good. Okay. Now what we have to do next? Perimeter we need to calculate. We need to calculate perimeter. Perimeter of letter A. Letter I first. So how many units here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the perimeter is 12 units. Letter I. Perimeter of letter I is
12 units.
units. Okay. Now N. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here we are getting some cross mark. So for like this letters, what we will do? We will use thread. So here for A, I wrote off. Check it, ma. See here. So this is irregular shape. A is irregular shape. What I will do is, I will take a thread. Okay. Now from here I am finding the length. So from here to here. Next. So continuity. From here to here. Next. Here to here. Again. Up to here. From here to here. So everything we need to measure using thread. So this is the length of the boundary of the letter A. Then what I will do? I will use scale to find its perimeter. So forgot the scale here. So use scale to find it. Okay. Use scale to find its length and write the perimeter of the letter A and N. So A and N, you need to find it like this. Okay. Using thread, you need to find mark. When you are getting an irregular shape, so what you need to do? We need to use which one we want to use, ma? Thread. Using thread, we can find the perimeter of the letter. Or else, wherever possibility is there, you can find. And then this length, you can use thread. For this much, you can use thread. Using thread or using scale also, you can find. Using thread or using scale also, you can find.
We cannot see the answers.
What answers, ma?
Number of sheep covered by letter I, that answer, and these all answers are not visible, ma'am.
So like this, you have to write the area and perimeter of each letter. If it is an irregular letter, irregular means we are having curves. Okay. Straight line, cross straight lines and curves, if you have, that is called irregular shape. So there, what you will do, we will use thread to find the perimeter. If you have directly straight lines, if you have, you can use the square unit there, 1 centimeter. From to here, 1 centimeter. Like that you can use. Okay, ma? So for India, you have to do. So and then what you have to do, after writing India like this, color it. Okay? Each letter one color. Color it. Like that, you have to do for your name. Okay. Suppose Sharanya is there. Sharanya. She has to write the name like this. S-A-N-S-H-A-R-A-N-Y-A. Sharanya. After writing that, each letter, if the letter is repeating, no need to write. Okay. In this, A is repeating 3 times. So in Sharanya name, A is repeating 3 times. So 1 time she has to write. Okay. So area of the letter A, area of the letter S, area of letter H, area of letter R, area of letter N, area of letter Y. Like that, perimeter of each letter. Okay. So this is another activity to you. So complete the activity and submit it to me. Okay, ma? So here I am giving the chart to you.
Can you put it in group?
Letter chart. Okay, letters on grid. Letters on grid. If you want, I will send
Okay,
it
ma'am.
separately in WhatsApp. Okay, ma? So letters on grid. Using these alphabets, you have to write your name. Suppose if your name is very big, Prajwal Harry, he can take either Harry or Prajwal, no problem. Okay. But I want you to find the area and perimeter of letter, whether it is your regular shape or irregular shape. Okay. Here, why you need to use
Ma'am?
red?
Ma'am, I can take my name short also.
Yeah, short. You can write short also, no problem. Abdul Qadir means Qadir. Qadir also write, you can write. Okay. Yeah.
Ma'am,
So
we
now
have to
we are
write.
going to
We have.
story.
Ma'am, activity 4.
Yeah,
Ma'am, we have
it is
to
an
write
activity
the-
4. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to write
Making
our name
story.
in the stand. Otherwise, in that alphabets, we have to color our name.
Yeah, you have to color your name also. Not in the alphabets. Okay. Why? Because sometimes the letter will be another time it will come repeating. Okay, then how you will color the alphabet there? 2 times it repeats now. Write your name neatly like that. Okay, ma? You can draw squares or you can use graph book also. Or otherwise you can draw square like this. Now I drew now. Like that you can take a white paper and you can draw the squares and you can write the letter.
Take our math book also, ma'am.
Yeah, math notebook also you can. Okay, ma? Now let us listen to the story. This is a king's story. The king was very happy with carpenters Jaggu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So as gifts, the king wanted to give some land to Jaggu and some gold to Anar. So Jaggu, take as much land as what comes within 100 meters of wire. Within 100 meters of wire, how much land you can take? That much land you can take, he said. So then what happened? Jaggu is trying to make some land shape. Usually what we will think, ma? Either in rectangle or square. Okay. So what Jaggu is doing, ma? He is trying to make some rectangles. So suppose that this is the 100 meter wide. This is not 100 meter. Actually, approximately just we are to show the wire, we are doing some length. That's all. Okay. Now what he done, ma? He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangles. So what he done first? First he has taken 40 centimeters and 10 centimeters. So the rectangle is like this. Okay, now you want to find the area. Land means you need to find the area. Perimeter of the rectangle always 100 centimeters. Why? Because 100 meters. Why? Because the length of the this is the length of the wire. Length of the wire is 100 meters. It is given. Suppose if you fold the wire into the shape of rectangle, you will get length of the rectangle means length of the boundary of the rectangle is nothing but length of the wire. Boundary of the rectangle is nothing but length of the wire. Okay. So whatever rectangles you can make using the thread, using the wire 100 meters, for all of the rectangles, the perimeter is always 100 meters only. Length of the wire, length of the boundary of any rectangle using the wire is length of the wire only. Now, what is the area here? Area 40 into 10. 40 into 10. Area is 40 into 10.
400, ma'am.
Length into breadth. So it will become 400 meter square. 400 meter square or square centimeter. Okay. Now, after that, he did not satisfied with the land. Again, what he done? He made another rectangle. he made another rectangle using 30 into 20. He made another rectangle using the measurements 30 meter into 20 meters. So then what is the area of rectangle, Mahia? What is the area of rectangle?
Ma'am,
600 square meter.
Yes, 30 into 20. Area means 30 into 20. So when you are multiplying, first zeros we have to write. And then 3 2s are 6. Okay. So 600 meter square it is. 600 meter square. Now what is its perimeter, ma? What is its perimeter? 2 into L plus B. Let us find whether the perimeter is 100 or not. So 2 into 30 plus 20. 30 plus
Ma'am, 100 only, ma'am. 30 plus 20 is equal to 50. 50
Ma'am,
into
it
2
will
is
be
equal to
100
100.
the
meters.
perimeter is 100 meters. The perimeter of rectangle is length of the wire. You should remember that. Whatever types of rectangle you can make here, the perimeter is same. The perimeter is same. Okay. Now, next. Then what he done? He did not satisfy what he made. Okay, so he did not satisfied with this rectangle. Okay, and then can you make some other rectangles? Can you make some other rectangles, ma? Can you make some other rectangles? So length and breadth you need to take. 100 meters is the perimeter.
100 divided by 2 equals to 50.
Length of the wire is 100 meters, which is nothing but perimeter. Okay. Which is nothing but perimeter. Now, 100 meter wire. So already Cheggu makes 30 into 20, 40 into 20. Can you make some other rectangles? So here you have to observe that in rectangle opposite sides are equal. So if you want to take the measurements, you have to take half of the 100 only. That means you have to change 50 only. So here suppose length I am taking 20 or 20 over 25 length I am taking. Breadth again.
Ma'am, one side
25.
2, ma'am. One side 20, ma'am.
Yeah, 20. 20
Ma'am,
means you won't get 100.
Ma'am, length is 20.
ma'am, it will be a square.
Yeah, 20 means you won't get 100 there. The length of the
Ma'am?
wire must be 100 meters. The length of the wire must be 100 meters. Okay. So 20 means you won't get. So the length should be equal to 50. The length.
Ma'am, this will not become a rectangle, ma'am.
Yeah, the length and whether it is a square also,
Ma'am,
no problem. Yeah, now
Ma'am, length is equal to 5, ma'am. Breadth is equals to 20.
Yeah. Now 35, 15. Again take 35 and 15. Next 35 and 15 length.
Can you take length is equals to 5, breadth is equals to 20.
No, length is equal to 5 and then breadth equals to 45 it should be. Both the addition length and breadth should be equal to 50. Then only you will get 100 meter wire. Suppose you are taking length equals to 2 meters, breadth equals to how much is it? 5 and 20. So what is its perimeter, ma? 2 into 20 plus 5. 2 into 25. The perimeter is 50 meters. But the length of the wire is 100 now. If you want to get 100 meter wire, that means the perimeter of the rectangle is 100 meter. The measurements, that means length and breadth should be length plus breadth should be 50. Why? Because you are multiplying with 2. This value must be 50. Okay, then only you will get 100 meter wire there. So like that you have to divide. Okay, then what Cheggu done? He also done in so many procedures. He made like this.
Website.
Yeah, he has taken 5 meter and 45 meter, 15 meter and 35 meter, 25 into 25. But he did not get any biggest area. Only 625, 525, 225 like that only he is getting. But he said, take 100 meter wire and you can make any, take the land of 100 meter wide. So that means the perimeter should be 100. Then what happened? Cheggu's wife gave a suggestion. What is the suggestion? Let us check. So she asked him to do the circle with the 100 meter wire. Okay. So then the area of the circle must be 800 square meters. Why? Because Cheggu did not get any rectangle of 800 meter. So that's why what he done? He made a circle with the 100 meter wire. So then how much land he got, ma? He got 800 square meters land he got. Then very good. What the, okay. Cheggu has taken 800 square meters of land. Anar, now I will give you as much gold wire which can make a boundary for the land with area of 800 square meters. Then what the king said to Anar? Okay. Then very good. Cheggu has taken 800 square meter of land. Now I will give you a gold wire which can make a boundary for the land with area of 800 square meters. Then what he done? He made different rectangles like this. 40 into 20. 800 square meter of wire he has to make a rectangle. Okay. With 800 square meter of wire he has to make a rectangle. Then what he done? He has taken 40 into 20. What is the area, ma? What is the area here? 800 meter. Perimeter you need to find. Gold wire. Perimeter. Area is 800 here. So we need to find perimeter here. Okay. So perimeter, what is the perimeter? 2 into L plus B. 40 into 40 plus 20. 60. So here what he is getting? He is getting 120 meters. But 120 meters. No, very less. Here 2 into 90. Here 180 he is getting. Then he has taken 800 into 1 meter. So 2 into 801. How much, ma? 1602. He is not satisfied with the.
Ma'am, 1600.
Yeah. But Anar is not satisfied with these measurements. He want more. Then what he done? Let us check. So he made a rectangle with the length 8000 meters and breadth 0.01 meter. Now find the perimeter of this one, ma. Find the perimeter of this one. How much gold wire the king has to give? How much gold wire the king has to give? Check it. The area is 800 meters square. Okay. With that area, he has to make a rectangle. So how much gold wire he has to give? So length is here 8000 meters and breadth is 0.1 meter. Okay. Now perimeter you have to find. 2 into 8000 plus 0.1. So 2 into 8000.1. So 0.00016 meters. So 16,000.2 meters gold wire he has to give the king. Then the king was frightened because he could not arrange so much of gold to make the way of 16,000 meters, how much gold he need? Lot of gold he need now. So the king was fated. How to arrange that much gold? Okay. So can you make another rectangle with the longer boundary? Can you make, ma? So 1 centimeter wide and 8,000 meter long. 1 centimeter wide and 8,000 meter long. So here check it, ma. How much you will get here? 16,000.02 meters where we need. Okay. So with 1 centimeter wide and 80,000 meter long, we need how much gold wire, ma? How much gold wire? 16,000.02 meters. Okay. So this is all about area and perimeter, ma. So if any measurement length and breadth is given for you, we need to find the area and perimeter. Okay. Now here, this is the homework for you. Save the birds. So this is an irregular shape. You can observe this. So you can find the area of shape A and area of shape B. Then perimeter, how you will find, ma? If they ask perimeter, how you will find? Perimeter of
Using thread, ma'am. Using thread, ma'am.
using thread, you can find the perimeter. Very good, ma. So here,
Ma'am, by this our lesson is
drawing
completed.
is 1 kilometer on the ground. Map is given here. 1 centimeter on this drawing is equal to 1 kilometer on the ground. So here some questions are given for you. Okay, na? Answer the questions. Complete the work. So this is the textbook problem. These are the textbook problems only. You can find these questions in textbook also. Okay, ma? Save the birds. So this is homework for you. Okay? Yeah, that's all for
Ma'am,
today's class,
by
ma'am.
this, the lesson is completed.
Yeah, by this we completed this chapter area and perimeter. So we will meet in another class with another
New
chapter. Okay?
Ma'am, give